morning friends. Today we see the dimension of the physical quantity. In this method, we have a new symbol of this. First we discuss about the base quantity and then derived quantity. First we see the mass. Uh, mass. We represent it m. So the dimensional formula of mass is what? m1 L0 T0. Then after length, we represent L. So dimensional formula of length is what? There is no mass, so m0 L1, time is not there, T0. Then after time, we represent T. Dimensional formula is m0 L0 T1. Then after electrical current, symbol is A. Dimensional formula m0 L0 T0 and then A1. In this method, we represent any physical quantity base or derive how much of the base quantity. There is this 3 mLT. If there is not, then you put the power 0. Current and then after temperature. Kelvin, SI dot Kelvin. Dimensional formula m0 L0 T0 K1. Then after areas, in any areas there is a unit is meter square, length, width, length square, radius square, whatever. Dimensional formula is what? m0 L2 T0. Then after volume. Volume, there is a length cube, length, breadth, height, whatever. So m0 L3 T0. Then after density. Formula of density is mass divided by volume. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. So the dimension is mass is m1, volume is L cube. Then m1 L minus 3 T0. Then after velocity or speed. Velocity is represent distance divided by time, displacement divided by time. Simple, distance divided by time. So dimensional formula is what? There is no mass, kilogram, m0. Distance and length are the same dimension, L1. Time is T1, now T minus 1. Velocity, then after acceleration. This is what? Velocity, ratio of velocity and time. So dimensional formula of acceleration is what? Velocity is here, time is t1. So simplify m0 L1 t minus 2. Now the momentum. It is a linear momentum. Momentum, equation of momentum is what? Momentum is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. The dimensional formula of mass is m1, velocity is l1 t minus 1. Then after m1 l1 t minus 1. Then force. Formula of force F is equal to ma, you know. Then force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Mass is m1, acceleration is l1 t minus 2. Then m1 l1 t minus 2. Force. Now pressure. Pressure is what? Force upon area. Force is here, area is L2 divided, so simplify M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. Then after work is what? Simple, force multiplied by distance, displacement, whatever we represent here, distance only. So the dimensional formula of work is what? Force is m1 l1 t minus 2, distance is l1, then after m1 l2 t minus 2. Now energy. Same as work. So m1 l2 t minus 2. Then after power. Power is what? Power is work divided by time. Work is here, time is t1. So m1 l2 t minus 3. Then periodic time. For simple pendulum, whatever. Periodic time is 1 times of time. So m0 l0 t1. The inverse of periodic time is frequency. Is what? m0 l0 t minus 1. Now the angular speed. Angular speed is same as frequency. Unit is radian per second. So radian, there is no mass, length, time, only time is upon, so t minus 1. Angular speed, then angular acceleration. Another time is in divided, so dimensional formula angular acceleration is what? m0 l0 t minus 2. Torque, same as work, so m1 l2 t minus 2. Moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is mass multiplied by distance square. So dimensional formula is m1 l2 t0. Okay, rest is in next lecture.